Ever wondered how an abandoned house can turn into a profitable Airbnb? Let's dive right into it. You see, there's an abundance of these vacant properties known as Akiya scattered across Japan. These houses, once vibrant homes, now stand empty, silently echoing the stories of the past. But what if I told you these seemingly forgotten properties hold an untapped potential? Imagine transforming these Akiya into bustling, charming guest houses, a place where travelers from around the world can find a cozy corner, experience local culture, and make unforgettable memories. And while they enjoy their stay, you enjoy a steady stream of income. Sounds appealing, right? But wait, it's not just about the income. It's also about contributing to the local community, revitalizing neighborhoods, and preserving architectural heritage. A win-win situation for everyone involved. So the question arises, how can we transform these abandoned houses into a profitable Airbnb? Stay tuned as we delve into this intriguing journey. Transforming an abandoned house into an Airbnb involves a series of steps. Let's dive into this exciting journey together. First and foremost, you'll need to scout for a suitable abandoned house. This step is key as it sets the foundation for the entire project. You'll want to consider factors such as location, size, and the overall condition of the house. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it should have good bones. A house in a prime location with room for improvement is your ideal target. Once you've found your diamond in the rough, it's time for the second step, purchasing the property. This is where you'll need to navigate through legalities and paperwork. You may want to consider hiring a real estate attorney to help you with this process. It's also a good idea to do a thorough title search to ensure there are no hidden liens or encumbrances on the property. Next up is the renovation process. This is where your abandoned house begins to transform into a potential guest house. You'll need to plan your renovation carefully, keeping in mind the needs of your future guests. Think about the kind of experience you want to provide. Are you going for a cozy, rustic feel or a modern, sleek vibe? Your design choices should reflect this. Remember to tackle any structural issues first before moving on to aesthetic improvements. Now that your house is looking guest ready, it's time for the next step, furnishing your property. This is your chance to add character and charm to your space. Consider investing in quality furniture pieces that not only look good, but are also durable and comfortable. Don't forget the little details like kitchen utensils, bed linens, and even a few thoughtful touches like a coffee maker or a bookshelf filled with interesting reads. Finally, after all the hard work, it's time to list your property on Airbnb. Take high-quality photos that showcase your property's best features. Write a compelling description that highlights the unique aspects of your property and the experience guests can expect. Set a competitive yet profitable price, and voila! You're now ready to welcome your first guests. Each step is crucial in ensuring that the transformation is both successful and profitable. And remember, it might seem like a daunting task at first, but with careful planning and execution, you could soon be the proud owner of a thriving Airbnb property. But is it worth the investment, you may wonder? Well, let's break down the numbers. The expense of transforming an abandoned house into a thriving Airbnb can vary greatly. It largely hinges on factors like the house's location, renovation costs, and the demand for short-term rentals in the area. Take the cost of renovation, for instance. It can range from a few thousand to several tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the condition of the house and the level of transformation needed. Then there's the location. A house in a bustling city or popular tourist spot may command higher rental rates, potentially giving you a quicker return on your investment. Lastly, the demand for AirBnB in the area plays a significant role. A high-demand location could mean more bookings, more income, and a faster recoup of your initial spend. Indeed, with careful planning and execution, an abandoned house can be a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Let's take a quick look back at what we've discussed. We've explored the untapped potential of abandoned houses and how they can be transformed into thriving Airbnbs. We've walked through the necessary steps, from acquiring the property to renovating it into a cozy guest house. And let's not forget the financial aspect, the initial expense, and the promising return on investment. Remember, every abandoned house holds a potential profit. It's all about seeing the opportunity and making the most of it.